Hi all, it's Met from Let's Have It Met TV. So today I'm going to do a review on these drones that you can buy on TEMU. They're about 20 quid. I got mine for a tenner. I had some voucher that they gave me, and it was $10.99. So I thought, you know what, let's give it a go. I keep seeing people on TikTok flying them about and having a bit of fun with them, so I thought for $10.99 we'll have a little go. So what we'll do is we'll have a look at the box, look inside, set it up and give it a quick flight. Let me spin you around. So there's the box, E99. So let's open the box. Comes with a little carry case. Got a lead. I think I see these, you can put these over the propellers to protect them. Extra little propellers. Your books. Code to set it up. I've seen videos, it's really easy to set up, you literally just download it. So there's the camera, the thing. Now again, as I've seen a few videos, so I know roughly what to do. He says, oh, you open it. Let's open them ones first. A, B. It says, oh, it's really going to say BB. Right. So, open that up. Battery just clips in. If I put the battery in properly. Well, as you can see, little blue light comes on, flashes. So you have to put 2 batteries in to save on time. I've put the 2 batteries in already, 3 AA batteries. These don't do nothing, they're just there for show. Turn it on, and as you can see, the blue light goes still. So, and as I say, I've already messed around with the app. So what I'll do, I'll spin the camera around again. So there's the app. You just scan that, download it. So simple. You then go on to your Wi-Fi. I'll do a screenshot. You click on the UFO Wi-Fi, close that down, go onto the app, press start. I'll do a screenshot of that as well, and that's it. Your camera's connected, as simple as that. So this is the control. That's auto takeoff. That's auto land. These ones here, like, are meant to steady the flight, back, forward, left, right. You've got these buttons on the top. I think they're like your stump buttons. The aerials are just literally there for show. They don't do nothing. Then that's up, down, left, right, move forward, move back, move left and right. Takes a little bit of time to get used to, but quite simple. So what we'll do is, we'll just do a quick demo. We're inside, so I won't mess about with it too much. But we'll give it a quick flight. Right, so we'll press the auto takeoff. Now I'm doing this one-handed because I'm trying to film as well. So as you can see, that's recording you as well, mate. Yeah. So my work colleagues just come in. What I do is just I'm doing it one-handed. Press the auto land. There you go.
Is it like a PlayStation remote?
So that was the review of the drone E99 10.99 on TEMU. It was just a quick review, quick unboxing. There's a lot more videos out there with a lot more detailed, but I thought I'd just do a quick review, give you an honest opinion as I always do. As I say, we'll have a little play of it outside. It seems like it's okay. I think the wind will play a part because, say, we have the aircon in here and that it was blowing it about a bit. But for 10.99, we'll have a little bit of fun with it. So thanks guys for watching. As always, please like, share the videos. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. And most of our regular subscribers will know we have a new clothing brand called Fake. I have the Carolina Blue on at the moment. So please have a look at the videos of that, and if you're interested, give us a message. Look us up on TikTok and Instagram. Search as one word, all one word, Are Your Fakes Real? No spaces, and you'll find us. There's links in the description as well. Thanks for watching guys. Catch you on the next one. Peace.